Welcome back, guys. In this video we'll look at math operators. In the beginning I have some variables declared, a, b, c, d with different values. To do addition, it's very simple. You just use the plus sign, that's the addition operator, and then subtraction is minus. So if we add a and b, we should be getting 633, that's the first value. If you subtract 233 from 400, you get minus 167, which is what it is here. And then the simple division, basically c by d and d by c, that's 16 and 0.625, these two values up here. So if you look at this here, this is also division, but this is an integer division, so the returned value will not be a floating point value, it'll be a whole number, integer. So that's why it's returning 16 and 0, the next two values. And then we'll look at multiplication. So with a single asterisk, b times d is 800, that's what should come up, and double asterisk is to the power of, so 800 square is 160,000, and that's what is showing up here. Remainder, again, is a percent modulus. Remainder is the operator we use is percentage. A percentage c is 9, so that's 9 there. 9's the remainder when you divide 233 with 32. And then the BEDMAS rule applies to, in Python, basically your parentheses take precedence over everything else, so they're evaluated first, and then exponent takes precedence, then the multiplication, then division, and then the minus, plus or minus. So I'm just printing all the variable names that are declared. So dir returns all the variables that are declared, so these are all the variables, and you can see in the end here there's a, b, c, d, which are the ones that I declared. All of these, we'll talk about it in the future lectures. So I'm printing types of integer, that one. I'm printing type of a floating point value, which is that one, and then a string, which is that one. 2 in single quotes is a string, and then I'm printing another floating point value, and then a long integer, which is also integer. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm happy to respond, and please like and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you. Bye.